a step-by-step guide to mobile app development process. In today's digital age, mobile applications have become indispensable tools for businesses to reach their audience effectively. But have you ever wondered what goes into the process of developing a successful mobile app? Welcome to ManekTech's guide on the mobile app development process. Let's dive in. Discovery and planning. During this phase, our team collaborates with clients to understand their vision, goals, and target audience. We conduct thorough market research to identify competitors and gather insights that shape the app's strategy. Design and prototyping. Here, our talented designers transform ideas into tangible designs. We create wireframes and prototypes to visualize the user experience and ensure usability and functionality. Development. This is where the magic happens. Our skilled developers bring the designs to life, coding the app's front-end and back-end functionalities. We follow industry best practices and leverage cutting-edge technologies to ensure the app is robust and scalable. Testing and quality assurance. Before launching the app, we conduct rigorous testing across multiple devices and platforms. Our QA team identifies and fixes any bugs or glitches to ensure a seamless user experience. Deployment and launch. Finally, it's time to release the app to the world. We assist our clients in deploying the app to app stores and provide ongoing support to ensure a successful launch.